mas may alam ako sa'yo, ganon. So, pag hindi sensitive, tinatanong ko kagad. Pag sensitive, I don't wanna intrude, but ito yung lumabas. Or ito yung information na nakuha ko. So, would you like to answer that? And, di ba, if you don't want to answer it, I respect that, pero ilalabas ko na hindi mo sinagot. And I don't know, maybe you've
Give
seen...
and take, ganon.
Oo, kasi, di ba, there is a reason kung bakit hindi mo siya sinagot. And I respect that.
Yeah.
Because naniniwala ako, sasagutin mo rin naman siya at some point eh.
Naniniwala din ako na there is a reason kung bakit tinanong yun ni Sir Nelson.
Oo, kasi ay, nakarating sa akin.
Oo,
Di ba?
totoo.
Hindi naman din na ako mag-iimbento.
Yeah.
Di ba? I mean, I'm too tired para mag-imbento.
True.
So, sabihin ko na lang sa'yo.
Your job as the journalist is to ask the question.
To ask the questions.
Yeah.
And you have to ask the important questions.
Yeah.
You have to, personally ako, di ba, I know a lot of celebrities, parang ang feeling nila nagre-revalida sila pag tinatanong ko eh. Parang ang feeling nila parang nagde-depend ang thesis. Kasi talaga, I really like pushing them.
Yeah.
Kasi pinasok niyo yung trabahong yan eh. Na parang mas maganda na lalo na pag may magandang angulo or interesting angle sa'yo, sagutin mo ng tama. Nasa sayo na yan kung paano mo sasagutin. Pero kasi ako, hindi ko pipigilan yung sarili kong magtanong. Yun ang trabaho